Hey then, have you ever had to make a decision like whether to eat chocolate or vanilla ice cream or whether to share your candies with your friends? Well, guess what? Computers also make decisions. And in Java, they do that using something called conditional statements. In this lesson, we'll explore the two most basic and powerful ones, if and if else. Let's get started. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements help Java make choices. Just like you choose based on situations, Java also checks conditions and runs different code depending on whether something is true or false. So, conditional statements control the flow of your program. The most basic one is the if statement. Let's understand the if statement with a real life example. Imagine you have a jar of candies. Your mom says, if you have more than 5 candies, you can share them with your friend. How do we write this in Java? Int candies equals to 6. Candies equals to 6 means candies is assigned the value 6 if candies equals to 5. If candies equals to 5 means if candies is greater than 5, systemout.println, you can share your candies. Here, Java checks, is the number of candies more than 5? Means greater than. If that condition is true, it prints, you can share your candies. If it's not true, Java simply does nothing. It skips that part and moves on. Now let's look at if else using another simple example. Imagine your friend asks, do you want chocolate? If yes, you get chocolate. If not, you get vanilla. This is where we use if else in Java. String favorite equals chocolate. Favorite equals chocolate. Assigns the word chocolate to favorite. If favorite dot equals chocolate, checks if favorite is equal to chocolate. Systemout.println, here's your chocolate ice cream. Else, systemout.println, here's your vanilla ice cream. This time Java checks if your favorite is chocolate. If yes, it gives chocolate. If not, it gives vanilla instead. So if else gives you two paths, one for true and another for false. Let's pause and look at what we've learned so far. Condition, something Java checks, like candies equals to 5. If statement, runs code only if the condition is true. If else, runs one part if true and another if false. Conditions always return true or false, just like answering a yes or no question. Great job! Today you learned how Java makes decisions, just like you do every day. You now know how to use if statements, if else for two-way choices, and how to write conditions that return true or false. You're one step closer to becoming a Java pro. Thanks for learning with me. I'm Prathima Kumari. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep smiling.